Giggles and grapes.
N4. Nothronicus. This is Nothronicus. N4. Nothronicus. Say it with me. Noth, ro, ni, cus. Good job. Nothronicus means slothful claws. Because they had sharp claws. You must be wondering why. They could snip leaves and plants by it. So you know now they were vegetarians. They also had fine feathers, and they were almost the size of a giraffe. Isn't it fascinating? 04. Uranosaurus. This is Uranosaurus. 04. Uranosaurus. Say it with me. Ow, ra, no, saw, rus. Perfect. It has a double meaning, brave lizard or a desert monitor. It was found in Africa. Look, it had a large hump or sail on its back that may have helped him to swim. P4. Panchicephalosaurus. This is Panchicephalosaurus. P4. Panchicephalosaurus. Say it with me. Pan, chi, cephalo, saw, rus. Very good. It meant thick-head lizard. Look at its head. It sure did have a thick head. The head is dome-shaped, and it also has a spiky snout. Q4. Quetzalcoatlus. This is Quetzalcoatlus. Q4. Quetzalcoatlus. Say it with me. Quetz, ale, coatless. Fantastic. It was the largest flying animal ever. It was an excellent flyer. It has a long beak and toothless jaws that it used to snatch fish, crabs, and other marine life. Do you think we could fly on it? Well, I don't think so. It's a good idea. R4. Rabbit-Saurus. This is Rabbit-Saurus. R4. Rabbit-Saurus. Say it with me. Rabba, chi, saw, rus. Excellent. Means ribback lizard. It had short head, a delicate long neck, and a whip-like tail. Look at those spikes. Yikes. S4. Stegosaurus. This is Stegosaurus. S4. Stegosaurus. Say it with me. Steg, go, saw, rus. Awesome. It means roof lizard. Look, it has bony plates along its back and spiked tail. Looks like a deadly weapon. T4. T-Rex. This is T-Rex. T4. T-Rex. Say it with me. T-Rex. Excellent. Means tyrant lizard king because it was one of the fiercest dinosaurs to walk on the earth. Was one of the largest meat-eating dinosaurs to walk the earth. He ate everything that moved. The king of dinosaurs. U4. Urbicodon. This is avocodon. U for avocodon. Say it with me. Aba, cod. Don, good job. It means a back tooth. It lived in Uzbekistan. V for Velociraptor. This is Velociraptor. V for Velociraptor. Say it with me. Wella, crip, tor, perfect. Velociraptor means swift thief. It was a small and a mean dino. Why? Because he would also eat baby dinosaur. W for Wahosaurus. This is Wahosaurus. W for Wahosaurus. Say it with me. Wua, ho, saw, rus. It had unique for bony spikes at the tip of its tail. X for Xenotarsosaurus. This is Xenotarsosaurus. X for Xenotarsosaurus. Say it with me. Xeno, tar, so, saw, rus. Excellent. It means a strange lizard because of its strange ankle. Look, it had 2 horns above the eyes and very small arms. Y for Yinlong. This is Yinlong. Y for Yinlong. Say it with me. Yin, long. Good. It means hidden dragon, because the fossil of this dinosaur was found near the filming location of Crouching Tiger. Z for Zephyrosaurus. This is Zephyrosaurus. Z for Zephyrosaurus. Say it with me. Z, Phyro, saw, rus. Excellent. It means westward wind lizard. It was a small dinosaur, smaller than an adult human. It fed on low-growing plants.
Subscribe. Like. Don't forget to press the bell icon.